P4 pass mark, Q7 pass mark. So 8, 10, that is P4, 12, 14, that is Q7. 1 double hyphen 0. Okay. So last set of possibilities where we have B position. Here B position we have, but A different, B same, C different. So we have two different. We'll stop comparison. Next, same again you continue. Here we have two more possibilities. See now, A12 and 939 checking. 1 same, hyphen same, 0 same, hyphen, because it is different. Hence, what is this? 1 hyphen 0 hyphen 1 hyphen 0 hyphen, which we have already wrote. Hence, it is 8, 12, 9, 13, which is P5 and Q4. Next, one more set. 8, 12 with 10, 14, because it also has in a B position. See, 1 hyphen 0, 1 hyphen 0. We have already wrote. Hence, what happens here? 10, 14, 8, 12, 1 double hyphen 0. So now that finishes comparison. QM method is completed. Now, which all are not pass marked, rewrite them with circle. See this circle, again a circle, pass mark 1, 2, 3 circle, 1, 2, 3, 4 pass mark. So 3 circles in second set. Here. So yes. Okay, fine. Right now. So let us continue the table filling method. I will rewrite and clear this and write the terms. Okay. Okay. Now, when we will go for table filling method, always write longest sized group top and short groups in the bottom here. Okay, so what is the length here? Two symbols, 1 3, 1 9, 3 7, 6 7, 6 4. But here 8 9 12 13, that means 4. Okay, here. Now first 8 9 12 13, which is 8. Next 8 10 12 14, 8 10 12 14. Okay. Next, come back for previous. 1 3. Here you write 1 3. Next you write 1 9. That is P1 P2, Q1 Q2 Q2. 3 7 6 7 6 14. 3 7 6 7 6 with 14. Okay. So now I will tell you again. All elements here I have wrote on the top of the table. Next set I have wrote which are circled. If anything remain in this, then you include below portion. Okay. So this is what comes. Now I will clear this because to work on the table method. Okay. So now rewrite these columns in the top of the table. What is that? M1, M3, M6, M7, M8, M9, M10, M12, M13 and M14. Okay, fine. fine. Now create the rows. So this is the layout for selection. Okay. Now put X mark or a dot. Dot is not visible, so I will put X mark. Okay. Now in the columns which are specified by numbers here. So what are the numbers? 8, 9, 12, 13. So 8, 9, 12, 13 means M8, M9, M12, M13. Put X mark. 8, 9, 12, 13. Next 8, 10, 12, 14. 8, 10, 12, 14. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 9, 1, and 9, 3, 7, 6, 7, 6, 14. Okay, so that finishes entry in the table with X symbol. Now, step number 1. Find a column with the single X. Single X. See now, how many X here? 2, 2, 2, 2X, 2X, 2X. Here is a 1X. First 1X. So now I will give analysis. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 bags. First bag has 4 balls. Second bag also has a 4 balls. Next 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 5 bags has 2 balls. So what is your condition is you have to pick less number of bags. By end you have to get all these balls, at least one with you. If you have got multiple, okay, but minimum one should be there with you. Okay, now, and condition I told, if you took first bag, you have to take full, don't take only the ball from it. If you take bag, you will get 4 balls, 8, 9, 12, 13. Okay. Now, by the method of single X, first single X I have got is M10. Where M10 is available? Bag 2. Bag 2. Bag 2 has 4 balls. So if I take that, which all the balls I will get? 8, 10, 12, 14. 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay. Now, how many you need? These all. How much you have got? 8, 10, 12, 14. What is your expectation? 1, 3, 6, 7, 9, 13. Are these all available in a single ball, single bag? No. They are available in 1 4 bag, a bag of 4 balls, remaining all bag of 2 balls. Okay, we have to pick based on our requirement. Now this is done. So this column has 2 number of X. Neglect. Come for M30. M30. It also has single number of X. Single number of X means you will get some advantage. What is advantage? You have to take that. If it is a single X means the ball 13 is nowhere present apart from that bag, which is bag number 1. You can see 13 is not present in second bag, which we have already chosen. third bag that is not present because it is 1 3 not 13, 1 9 3 7 6 7 6 14. 13th number ball is nowhere present except first bag, but in your expectation 13 is there, so that means what you have to take 13. So if you take 13, what you will get? See, you will get some balls repeated. What are those? 8. Second time you have got. Next 9. First time you have got. So I will clear this one. Next 12. Already you have got one more. 13. So 13 is selected. Means you have got. What is your expectation now? What is your expectation? You have got 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. So that means what? This half set or almost 60% of set you have now. Now what you have to think? What you need? 1, 3, 6, 7. 4 more we did. How to get that? Do we have all 4 in a single bag? No, because next all bags are 2 as a group. See, what are possibilities there? 1 3 1 9. 9 we have already. 9 we have already with us. Okay. Next 3 7. It is one possibility. 6 7. It is also one possibility because we don't have it. What is last? 6 14. Already we have a 14. So try to think out of 5 bags. What are the bags? 1 3, 1 9, 3 7, 6 7, and 6 14. These bags out of these, pick least number of bags, but you have to get these. So which is good choice? If I go with 1 9, what is the case? 1 is what I need, but 9 is what I have already. If I go with 3 7, it is one option because I will get both which I don't have yet. Okay, which I don't have yet. But what is the one drawback of opting 3 7 is you don't have a group called as 1 6 in the next. So I don't choose 3 7. Instead, what I choose is, if I choose 1 3, what happens? I have selected 1 3. That means here I will take 1 3. I have got. So I have taken 1 3. So what else I need? I have got 1 3, 6 7. Do I have 6 7 together? Yes. So I will take 6 and 7. So totally, how many bags I have collected? First bag 8, 10, 12, 14. This is one bag. Second bag I have chosen is 8, 9, 12, 13. Next bag I have chosen is 1, 3. And the last bag is 6, 7. So that means what? Earlier I used to take 7 bags. All 7 bags I have to carry. But now it is only 4 bags are required out of 7. 3 are optional. That means no need. Hence, what is the definition of essential prime implicants? That means which 4 bags you have to take are 8, 10, 12, 14. Next 8, 9, 12, 13. Next 1, 3 and 6, 7. These 4 compulsory. That's why it is essential. So what is the name? Okay, I have not clear. Okay, fine. 1 second.